Hello students, welcome to our channel Easy Mathing. Students, till now we have solved multiplication problems. Now let us do an interesting activity. This activity is called How long is the product? In each of the following boxes, the multiplications produce interesting patterns. Evaluate them to find the pattern. Extend the multiplications based on the observed pattern. So here our aim is not only to find the product but also to observe the pattern formed in the answers. First let us solve each multiplication. Then we will carefully observe the pattern. Finally we will extend the pattern and predict the answers. Box number 1. 11 multiplied by 11, that is equal to 121. 111 multiplied by 111, that is equal to 12321. 1111 into 1111, that is equal to 1234321. Let us observe the answers here. The digits first increase in order 1, 2, 3. Then the decrease in reverse order, that is 3, 2, 1. As the number 1 increases, one more digit is added to the middle of the answer. Using this pattern, we can predict the next product, that is 11111 multiplied by 11111, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box number 2. 66 multiplied by 61, the answer is 4026. 666 multiplied by 661, that is equal to 440226. 6666 multiplied by 6661, that is equal to 44402226. Now observe these products carefully. The number of 4s keeps increasing at the beginning. In the middle, we always get 0 to 2. At the end, the number of 2s also keeps increasing. So using this pattern, we can predict the next product, that is 66666 into 66661, that is equal to 4444022226. So by box number 3. 3 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 35, that is equal to 1155. 333 multiplied by 335, that is equal to 11155. Observe the answers. The number of 1s increases on the left. The number of 5s also increases on to the right. As one more digit 3 is added, one more 1 and one more 5 appear in the product. Using this pattern, we can write the next answer, that is 3333 into 3335 is equal to 1111 5555. Box number 4. 101 into 101, that is equal to 10201. 102 multiplied by 102 is equals to 10404. 103 multiplied by 103 is equal to 10609. So observe the products carefully. The answer follow a regular pattern. As the number increases by 1, the square also changes in a definite pattern. By observing this pattern, we can predict the next square, that is 104 into 104 is equals to 10816. Okay, next. Observe the number of digits in the two numbers being multiplied and their product in each case. Is there any connection between the numbers being multiplied and the number of digits in their product? Students, now let us observe one more interesting pattern. Count the number of digits in each of the two numbers being multiplied. Then count the number of digits in the product. Take the first few examples. First number has 2 digits. Second number has 2 digits. Product has 3 digits. Next see 111 multiplied by 111, that is equal to 12321. First number has 3 digits. Second number has 3 digits. Product has 5 digits. So what do you observe here? So see, 1111 into 1111, that is equal to 1234321. So same, first number has 4 digits, second number has 4 digits, product has 7 digits. So whenever two numbers with the same number of digits are multiplied in these examples, the product has 1 less than the sum of the digits. For example, see, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, we know. So the product has 3 digits. Next, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So the product has 5 digits. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So the product has 7 digits. So in these patterns, the number of digits in the product is digits in the first number plus digits in the second number minus 1. Let us go to the box 2. 66 multiplied by 61 equals to 4026. Here 2 digits plus 2 digits, that gives 4 digits. Product is 4026, means 4 digits. 666 into double 661 is equals to 440226. So here 3 digits plus 3 digits gives 6 digits. Product gives 6 digits. 6666 into 6661, that is equal to 44402226. Here 4 digits plus 4 digits, that gives 8 digits, and product is 8 digits. Observe the product has the same number of digits, has the total digit in the two factors. Box number 3. 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. So here 1 digit plus 1 digit is equals to 2. Product gives 15, so 2 digits. So same, 33 into 35 is equals to 4 digits. Product is 4 digits. Next, 333 into 335, that gives 111 So here 6 digits and product also 6 digits. So observe, the product has the same number of digits, has the total digits in the two factors, same as the above box. So box number 4, 101 multiplied by 101 is equals to 10201. So here 3 digits plus 3 digits is equals to 6 digits, whereas the product 10201 means 5 digits. So next, 102 multiplied by 102, that gives 10404. Here 3 digits plus 3 digits, that gives 6 digits. So product is 5 digits. 103 multiplied by 103, that gives 10609. Here 3 digits plus 3 digits, that gives 6 digits, but the product is 5 digits. So observe here, the product has a 1 less digit than the total digits in the two factors. So students, there is no single rule that works for all multiplications. Sometimes the product has the same number of digits, has the total digits in the factors, and sometimes it has 1 less digit. That is why the question asks us to observe the pattern in the each case. Thanks for watching. Your support really means a lot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.